Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Camera's ready. He just came 3,000 miles to put in work. Clean, chromed out, and will hit the freeway. How many cars you know? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look, that made him nervous. Nigga got oil on my paper max. Holmes, what's wrong with you? Nigga, I need $260 right now. I need $260 right now. My vapor max got oil on him. He did 87 inches, but we gonna deduct like 25 of them. Yeah, that's what happened when y'all be hugging the car like y'all cameras can't see. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm still back here clean, no oil on me. I'm back here clean with no oil on me. Rest of y'all hugging the car. Look at that. 3,000 miles and quiet. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, he back there double knocking? Somebody better answer that door, boy. That boy knocking back there. You better answer that door. They ain't playing out there in Florida. That's what I'm talking about. Man. What too clean? Way too clean. I don't know, Mito. You definitely got some competition out here. There we go. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, and he's quiet. Mito out here working. I fooled y'all. I need to know what some of these. She gonna represent for the kids and the ladies. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Teach your daughters how to put it on the bumper. This girl out here showing off, boy. That's all right. That's all right.
She right up under my wing, man. She said, you never stop. You say I agree. Tell them how I'm the E-double. And I proclaim my name straight up. Good game.
Right there.
Like a rhino. They think I'm a trigger happy.
You know, every time they come out, they gonna represent for Jennifer to the fullest.
Glass of milk, the sinews strong. It ain't a game, it's plain to see. You listen to this sounds and breathe.
Elegancia versus Chipper. Let's go. Elegancia on the bumper. JoJo taking off. No, he did not. Somebody hand this man a body bag. Chipper, you out of here. Zip yourself up. Zip yourself up. Put yourself in a bag and zip it. Your daughter is ashamed of you. Oh, he gonna blame it on the switchman? Why you gonna blame it on the switchman? Well, this is what happens when you break your elbow chasing TD around the yard. He trying to blow the dump now. Okay, well, at least we know you can hit it. Or no. Or no. no, body bag that man. Get that man a bag. Big Dog, can we get a bag for Jimmer on aisle 9, please? That boy done. He talks too much. He said he the original Abdullah. Oh, we both in the air. We got TD on the bumper, Big John on the bumper. Watch yourself. Oh, Big John crashing, TD crashing. Big John just skied to the moon. Big John just skied to the moon. Woo! That was a good one. I can't call it. That was a good one. That was a good one. Low bottoms came in tripping. Low bottoms came in tripping. Hey, low bottoms came in tripping. I gotta give it to them. Came in tripping too. They was ready and prepared. Man, that might have been one of the hops of the day right there. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Woo. I don't know. I think the whole. Hey, yeah, no, that was very interesting. Oh yeah, he flexing now. He flexing now. I think I threw his mind off, but he got it back right. That is why he is the Arizona living legend. Get your cameras ready. Oh yeah, this how you come from Florida. You come out here, put it in the air. Oh, hold on, put go on rocket mode, and I need that. That's $600 right there. I need that molding. Shit, you on the wrong bumper. I need that molding. I need that molding. Hey, the boy dropping money out here. You a two-door Rome lover. Just go measure the car. They over there arguing. Oh look, he act like he been here before. He act like he been here before. He gonna break it before we even. Oh, you should have built that. Get that man a body bag. Get that man a body bag. He's dead. Look at that. The luxury sport just aired you out. Just aired you out. Oh, that's not gonna get it there, player. You better call Child. You better call Alex. That ain't gonna get it. That ain't gonna get it. That ain't gonna get it. Hey, Kenny trying to get the money, man. Switched up, said they don't give a damn about the money. They said you gotta call the side of the truck. Hey, it's all. It just went down. It just went down. The Regal got body bag. I try to tell you, oh, it's made across the roof of the car. Damn. Man, hey, y'all gonna fix it and come right back. We not done yet. We are tripping out here today. Hey, it don't matter. You stop. Oh yeah, it don't matter if you slow or faster. Hey, look. Hey, where my boy Gorilla at? Gorilla, where you at? Go get your boy on Gorilla. You act like you've been doing it for 10 years. Oh, hey, Kenny out here tripping. Kenny is out here tripping. San Diego right here. He came out here in one of the cleanest motorhomes I ever seen. And he's getting ready to do that dance. I try to tell you, they don't play in San Diego. They don't play out there. Hold on, we need to do that over, man. I need to get a picture of that. We got the A-Wagon out here. Over bumper. That's what I'm talking about. I don't care what he do. He just did that. I don't care if he take money. This man came out here in an A-wagon and is crashing. San Diego is tripping. They are with the double murder. We might see a casualty right now. He could, hey, he made John. I said, hey, did you see the vein right here on John's head and start going like this? And I said, oh, he tripping. He tripping. See, he's getting ready. Watch out, you getting ready to kill the cameraman, cuz? You my dogs out here working. Let me see. Does he need a body bag? Okay, top dogs. I thought he was gonna get groceries in it, but he gonna put it on the bumper. Who said they wanted to see top dog? Was that 559? Oh, we got the wrong going. Hey, you hit the wrong bumper, homie. You supposed to hit the back. What the? San Jose, we got our first body bag of the day going to Lucky. Y'all gotta take this back to San Jose. Here go the body bags. Lay down, Lucky, get the body bag. Man, Ho is in the building. All right, man, if you need air representing how high and just us. And he on his own switch. No body bag for him. There you go. Hey, when you hit the switch, it looks like you scooping potatoes. What's up with that? Yeah, I'm telling you, boy, he gonna kill somebody. Up there, turn the music down. Turn the music down. Let me see. Represent Just Dipping. Okay. Okay, we on the bumper out here. All right. Get it cracking, Sugar Bear. From here, going to the bumper. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Right here. I think he might have hit the dance switch. That nigga was, CD, what's happening with you, homie? Wait for the fade, huh? I believe you. Uh-oh, we got another one out the oil field. Hey, we got a youngster on the switch. Oh, the bomb is in the air. Oh, he on Sad TV. San Jose got a bomb in the air. You better not pull up in no Fleet Line, no Fleet Master. Oh shit, look. And he got a corner inside of the truck. 44 inches corner inside of the trunk. Six side out here on the bumper. He just had to straighten it out real quick. Real street rider. And he clean. He's the best batteries in the game. Tap in with Manny's. He will deliver anywhere in California for the right price. You can get your red top. Y'all better watch out for that white car. The last time it broke, he took Rico out for 4 months. Be careful, be careful. Cleaning on the bumper. No body bag for him. What we got on the roller, fellas? 81, Aida Car Club, 81. Okay. No. All right, ladies and gentlemen. This is the mascot of the Massacre. This is the statue. Give him a body bag. We need a body bag on aisle 7. Elegancia, come on, man. Oh, we trying to take pictures of the statue. All the way from the East Coast. And on a bumper. In a bag, Ringo. What's happening with you, boy? They out here doing that work. Oh yeah, it's gonna go right there. You better not stay there. We were gonna be passing out a bag. All right, he might be safe. Hold on, Elegancia said they ain't going for that. There you go. There you go, Elegancia got it working now. You gotta stop while you ahead. Okay, they got it figured out. Represent Las Vegas. Hey, Chipper, they said that's for you. Oh, y'all about to get him? Oh, hold on. Oh, I guess he didn't like the score. Eastside out here working, I can't be mad at him. Yes, sir. All right, Sugar Bear, don't cut the music, man. It's serious business right now.
How you feel?
Woo! This California out here represent, boy. Look, that boy clean like he could have been from the Majestic. I'm just saying, it's clean. That's how I'm talking. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you do it. You come out here, put it on the bumper. Don't get punked like Chipper just did. But Chipper gonna come right back though. That's what I'm talking about. Kick it to the bumper. Man, he got the training day out here clean for him. Ain't no Denzel in this movie. We off the bumper action. No, hold on, wait a minute. You just really? I just gave you the best compliment of the day. And you turn into Magneto. El Stucco. Benito. Cover that comes out the day fashion. That is a Las Vegas big dog. Oh yeah, you need to fire on them, homie. You need to sock one of them out. Sock one of them right in the jaw. Oh, man, y'all started the barbecue before you even hit the switch. Elegancia, come on, no, who's that, east side? Oh, yeah, that don't work. Represent high class, we got Dawson out here, fast and in a hurry.
And you won't be dreaming.
Super clean out here. Oh, on the bumper. We got the engraved frame. We out here hopping so far, y'all. Hold on. You do not have a pile of spray wax falling off underneath the hood. I bet you that engine look like it's a show engine. Pretty much. Nice little street car. Okay, we on the bumper. We at the, I will say, we got the teenagers out here blasting the ball. That's what I'm talking about. You know, when you pull up to the Massacre, you better be getting to that buffer. All right, we got us a little single pump out here on the bumper. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. I think I scared him. He got a carne asada in the back. It's all good. Hey. Everybody eat 2 for dinner. All right, Mario, let's get that car out the hot pit. He done made Big Tip a man, but all right, let's go. Let's get these cars out. We trying to keep this going. We trying to get to the head of A. Carhop is being hosted by none other than Big John and myself, along with Hop Shop Hydraulics. That is Sacramento, California, March 1st. Okay, Street Life. All the way from Watsonville out here. Watsonville, Salinas on the bumper. That's what I'm talking about. As long as you get to the bumper, man, that's all that matters. Ooh, okay, no way. How high central. That's what I'm talking about. All the way from Fresno, putting in that work. Hey, I need some headlights. I need some halo headlights. Go grab those for me.
If the city make a name, throw up a finger and feel the same way. Straight flip the town for California, yeah.
Representing Street Life out of Salinas. Just go ahead and give him a body bag. He's done. Somebody read the obituary.
Jumped in the phone, hit the juice on my ride. I got run back and side to side. Then I let the Alpine play. New shit by WA.
Body bag, we need a body bag for the Y64. That's what I'm talking about. Get to the bumper real nice. All the way from Vegas, representing good time. All right, we got the man, the owner of the car on his own switch. This is Big Boy. Let me see here. Bang. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, fashion. That's what I'm talking about, Big Boy. That's what I'm talking about.
It didn't work, no.
Team Killers has just entered the building. Let's talk about it. It is going down. That's what I'm talking about. Clean to the bumper, no issue. That's right, Mario out here on the bumper. But we got Jigger on the switch. His elbow might be dislocated, but his switch hand ain't. There you go. There you go. Kenny said he gonna wear that out, little killer. Kenny said he gonna wear that out. You ain't got enough. You said you better stop while you ahead. All right, let me see what we did on the rulers. What we got on the rulers? Okay, we got Nora on the switch. She just gonna interrupt the hop like that, but do your thing here, girl. Hold on, let me get up over here. Let me get up over there. Inez is out here on the switch. That's what I'm talking about. Inez out here putting it on the bumper. That's how you make your daddy cry. Whoa. Well.
Joe and James are happy slumping, so I call up Boo. What's up, nigga? What you about to do? You say,
oh yeah, cleaning on the bumper.
Don't eat it, jealous. I say this shit sounds good to me. I can't go those down the hit murder street. Past the acorns on my way, bitch. It's just another day. Every day is a motherfucker on fun.
All right, we got Frankie out here on the bumper crashing. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, we got it crashing. There you go. Who is this, Omar? That's what I'm talking about. Clean crash in the bumper. Oh, we got on the. Hold on, we got Pickle 2 out here. We got Pickle 2 out here on the bumper. Got his rope glove flying off the hood. He working though, he working. There's only one microphone in here, you looking over there. We just want to know, are you going? I'm saying a foot and a half from her and she can't. Ooh, low bottom came out dripping. They say they was coming to bags from people, they giving them out. Man, so far everything from San Diego working today, boy. Low bottom is out here tripping today. Hold on, let's see who we got over here. We got Limited out here on the bumper. Most definitely. What we doing, Sad TV? He's so mad at it. He can't even say your name. TV. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Every from the motherfucking door. Woo, boy. Do not catch this 90 bomb at the stoplight. You will be looking at the transmission. It is going all the way down. Ruthless Riders came out here to do what? We got Bill from Surfside out here, San Jose out here putting their work. This man has been traveling worldwide, putting it down on the bumper, worldwide super clean. I'm trying to tell you.
Help us grow our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and watch one of these recommended videos.